Hello! Today we are going to sow our onion seeds. Now there's no right or wrong time to sow your onion seeds. Some people sow them traditionally on Boxing Day. Some people wait until towards the end of February to sow them. Over the years we've gotten to know when it's best for us. And it's mid-January now, so this is the time when we sow our onion seeds. What I've done is I've filled a cell tray with compost. There are 60 cells in this. And what I do is I take a Sharpie pen, trusty Sharpie pen, and I just make a slight indentation in each cell. We're sowing two varieties this year. One is Red Baron, the other is Onion Stir-On. And we find those onions work best for us. They're good keepers and will store 6 months or more in our shed. Indeed, we're still using our onions that we harvested last July. Now, we use the multi-sewn method. We find that works best for us. Some people will sow just the one seed to the cell, and then when it comes to planting them out, they'll plant them out around about 4 to 6 inches apart, depending on the size of onion you want. But as I say, for us, we've found that the multi-sowing of onions is much better. We get a bigger crop in a smaller space and find it more productive. In this way, you're not going to get huge onions, but what you will get is 4 or 5 tennis ball size onions or more. So let's do some sowing. So what I do is I take a pinch of seed, and I'm aiming to sow somewhere between 6 and 8 seeds per cell. I'm not overly bothered if I get a few more or a few less, because later on in the season, around about May time, I shall thin these down to 4 to 5 onions per cluster, and we shall have a harvest of spring onions. So, sown the onions, they're multi-sown. What I'm going to do is a little bit of compost over the top, just to cover them up. You don't need too much. And there we have it, one tray of multi-sown onion seeds. I shall give these a light watering, not too much because the compost is quite damp already. I should just give them one watering, and what we'll then do, we'll take these back down to the house and we shall put them on our heat mats. We have a couple of heat mats that we use, but if you don't have heat mats, they can sit on a warm sunny windowsill, and then they'll germinate from there. Now I just have to do one more thing, which is to label them, and Poppy's found something. What we have been trying to do is trying to use up the plastic that we have, so it has more than one use. This happens to be the lid from some butter that we use, and cut that up into strips, and using your pen you can use it as seed labels. So this is onion, red, and we'll stick that in there like so. So we've sowed 2 60-cell trays of Sturon and a tray of Red Baron. Sturon. These are organic seeds, so try to do everything organically here. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and while you're down there, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon, and then you'll be notified when we upload future videos. As for these, once they're through, we will look to plant these out sometime around the spring equinox, so getting towards the end of March, and we'll come back and film that then. But until next time, take care.